Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Ibadan City. My people, welcome back to another Bible video. Guys, before diving into today's video, I really want to thank you all, my subscribers, and for those of you that are not subscribed yet to my channel, that are just viewer of my channel, thank you so much for your support throughout this 2022. I can never take it for granted. Thank you guys. And I really want to wish you a Merry Christmas and have a prosperous New Year in advance. Guys, I can never wish you less. All right. 2023 will bring a lot of happiness, joy, greatness, success into our lives all in Jesus' name. All right. So yeah, let's dive into today's video. But yeah, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do before the end of 2022. All right. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what you can put together, the magic for a glowing skin. Guys, the recipe I'm going to be showing you today, guys, if you use it, it is a banger, it is a bomb. All right, your skin will glow like crazy. You can never get it wrong with this recipe of mine. The recipe we are going to be working with together today, they are natural ingredient that has zero side effects. All right, you are going to love your skin after using this product. Guys, do not miss this recipe for anything. You can get it at your convenience, do it yourself, and that is all we are all about on this channel, how to do things yourself. All right, do it yourself and see how your skin will glow. All right, with just shikini money. You don't have to spend too much before your skin get glowing. You don't have to spend too much before you get that glowing, shining, brightening. You know what I mean, guys? Anyways, without further ado, let's go into the preparation. So guys, these are the ingredients I'm going to be working with in this video. All right, carrot is one of the ingredients I will be working with in this video. Carrot contains high level of vitamin C along with antioxidants that boost collagen production in the body. It also brightens the skin. It prevents formulation of wrinkles and makes the skin glow. The second ingredient is apple. Apple is rich in vitamin A, B, and C. It helps in getting rid of excess oil in the body. Eating apple regularly will give the skin a even tone. The antioxidants in the fruit accelerate skin cell rejuvenation and helps maintain healthy and glowing skin. The third ingredient is cucumber. Cucumber has a high water content that smoothens the skin and keep it hydrated. It is an anti-inflammatory agent and it helps in reducing the puffiness of the skin. The fourth ingredient is ginger. Ginger has many benefits for the skin. It is a rejuvenator that helps reduce signs of aging, flushes out toxins, even out skin tones, promotes hair growth, and leads to more blood circulation in the body. It contains antioxidants that can help reduce scar and protect the skin from UV rays. How good is this, guys? How sweet is this? With this combination of fruit, you will get a glowing, radiant, even out stone skin that people will marvel about. Try this recipe out and thank me later, all right? So I'm just going to transfer the ingredients into the blender one by one. So this is cucumber, well prepped, washed, sliced. Okay, it is well prepped. Make sure you wash it thoroughly. Okay, this is carrots, well prepped too, washed and diced. Okay, and this is apple, well prepped, washed and sliced. And this is ginger. All right, you can decide to increase the quantity of the ginger, it all depends on you, your preference, what you want. But as for me, this is actually okay, but you can actually increase the quantity of the ginger. All right, so right now I'm going to add water.